Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to share PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in mobile. Now before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, first things first, you have to go to your PowerPoint application on your phone, and then you will get to your presentation like this. So in your presentation, what you want to do is export it or save. So what you want to do is in the top right corner, you have the three dots. You click that and you'll get to a page like this. And here what you want to select is export. So once you click the export button, you will get to a prompt like this where it will ask for ODP or PDF. What you want to click is open document presentation and ODP file. And then you will get to a page like this where you get to name your presentation. So I'm going to leave it as presentation, and then you want to save it to your phone. So I'm going to click on my iPhone here and then click export. So once you do that, it will export to your iPhone and it can be found under your files. Then I'm going to go to WhatsApp and basically send it to myself. You can obviously send it to whomever you want. So what I'm going to do is on the bottom left, you have the plus icon. So you click the plus icon and you select document. And here you will click choose from files, because that's where it is. And then you want to click the bottom right browse, and then you under locations you can click on my iPhone because that's where you saved it, and then you go to the PowerPoint folder and then you will find your presentation, and then you click the top right corner open, and that's pretty much it. Then you send it by clicking the blue icon on the bottom right, and then it will be sent to whomever you want, and that's pretty much it. I hope this helped for you guys. Thank you for watching.